Hi, it's time now to relax. Get in a comfortable position in a bed, chair, or on the floor. Any way that you can be comfortable. You cannot drive a car or need to remain totally conscious while you're listening to this. You need to take a deep breath in. Hold it for a 3 count and let it out. Eyes closed. Feel heavy. Take a deep breath in. Eyes closed. Let it out. Totally relaxed, feeling heavier and heavier. Body starting to feel heavy. The toes, totally relaxed. The feet, relaxed. Up to the calves. Totally relaxed. Take a deep breath in. Look for a 3 count. Let it out. Breathe at your own pace, holding it as a 3 count, and letting it out at a 3 count. Totally relax thighs, hips. Totally relax abdomen, all the way up to the neck. Totally relaxed fingers. Fingers feel very heavy and tingly. The hands feel tingly. Arms, forearms, totally relaxed, all the way up to the shoulder. Now the neck is totally relaxed. The head is totally relaxed. The scalp, the ears, the eyes, the nose. The breathing is easier. Can't get any easier than this, can it? Sure it can. And you can get heavier and heavier and heavier. Your body weighs 10 times more than it weighed before you started. Breathe in. Hold it for a 3 count. Let it out. At your own pace, breathing, totally relaxed. Now you feel a very relaxed feeling at the base of your skull. Move down your spine to the tip of your spine, and you feel your whole body become more and more relaxed, and maybe tingly and light, almost like you're floating. You barely can feel yourself. You're totally relaxed, where you can just think things and they happen. Everything is easy at this level. You're successful at this level and at all levels. When you come out of this relaxation, you'll feel better than you ever felt, more confident, relaxed, and have a kind of a confident charm about you. Everywhere you go, people notice you, like you, and comment that you're an amazing person. You're collected and in total control of yourself. It doesn't go to your head. It's effusing from you. It's what God wanted for you. All through your body, the relaxation moves, the deep breath in. If you have any negativity in your body, it leaves now when you breathe. When you breathe out, the darkness of your negativity leaves you. And when you breathe in, the light and the goldenness of the light and the air moves to the areas that need to be healed. Anything that needs to be healed. From the mind, to the gallbladder, the liver, or the feet. Any part of your body needs to be healed. You're in total control of yourself. You're the master. You've mastered it. Even at any age, it doesn't matter. You've mastered it. People meet you and they confide in you because you're the master. You're confident, but not cocky. You're in charge of yourself. You've got health effusing from you, every good thing effusing from you, and you're intuitive. You know things before they're going to happen. You avoid embarrassing situations, and you help others avoid embarrassing situations. You get easier and more relaxed as you go along. Everything works for you. You know people and remember them. You remember their names. When they meet you, you remember their name, you shake their hand, and look into their eye, and you use their name, and they love it because you cared about them. You now can imagine yourself as very, very successful, having everything you want, having all the things you want, having the house you want on the beach, the car you want, the ideal car. You see the car, you feel the car, you feel the leather as you sit in the car, and you feel the power as you drive it down the road. You are in control of all this. Whatever you dream about comes to you. You see the piles of cash, you see the gold, you see the clothing, and you see the wonderful vacations as just a consequence of being good to people, of laughing with people, and being able to laugh at yourself. You never take yourself too seriously, and you don't ever consider anything a defeat. Everything is just education. Whatever happens, when you get what you want, it's good. When you don't get what you want, it's also good, because something better is coming along to take its place. Something better that you hadn't even considered is there to take its place, and you're very thankful. You're thankful to God for everything. You remember everything and are considerate of everyone around you, even the most lowly person there. And you never miss anyone, and you always, always, always remember your fans and sign the autographs that they need whenever they need them, and never get aggravated with anybody around you. You're relaxed, moving forward, everything's working for you, you're totally, 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 totally weightless and thinking, and success is coming to you now. You can imagine it. You imagine it, and whenever you have someone that helps you achieve something, you thank them. You thank them in your heart, in your mind, and in verbally. You remember them. You never forget those people who helped you, even the most lowly person, even the person on the street. They're all there supporting you. You never forget that. You're the master of everything around you, in total control, confident, but not arrogant, bold, but not cocky, fearless, but not overly overbearing. You can do it because you're in charge of it. You're in charge of yourself. And you know that relaxation and a deep breath in, hold it for a 3 count, and let it out, and you can have anything you want. You just imagine it coming to you now, because you've earned it. You've helped everyone around you. You believe you've earned it. You know you've earned it. And before you walk in to any situation, you know it's going to go your way. It's already happened. And through your confidence, relaxed attitude, you charm the universe into bringing you what you want. And you're very thankful and grateful. And you say so. And you always say please to the universe. And thank you to God when they bring you what you desire. Because you are just doing God's work. That's it. Simple, succinct, relaxed. And when the money piles up, more than you could spend, anything you want, go anywhere you want, you're the same, unaffected, relaxed, calm, loving person you were before you got everything. People will be charmed by you because you never changed. You never bought in to the hype. You always stayed relaxed and stayed who you were and remembered it was just God's will. It's what God wanted for you. That's it. It's just what God wanted for you. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes. The easier it moves your way. And the more you are thankful. More and more thankful. More and more relaxed. Everything is good for you because you treat people well. You are famous. But it never went to your head. You're calm, collected, and effective in every situation. You have a photographic memory for names, faces, and places, and anything else you want to remember. You are very calm, very together, and very mature. And the more mature you are, the more relaxed you are, the more successful you are, and the more you master your life. You have the confidence of the aged, even though you're young. You have the wisdom of God, even though you're just a humble servant. You have total confidence, but you're never, ever cocky. You're the last person to ask for something and the first person to receive it. You know more than you should know, but you're not cocky or arrogant about it. You're relaxed, calm, and stress-free. Everything comes your way. Everything's coming your way. Now you're going to be waking up, you're going to be breathing, and you're going to feel yourself coming back into full awakening consciousness. You're going to take the breath in for 3 count, let it out, feeling your hands and your feet. Bring the air in, let it out, feeling your hands and your feet and your arms and your legs, feeling your body, feeling every part of you, feeling your head, starting to awaken. Ready to get up. I'm going to count from 5 to 1, and when I hit 1, you'll be fully awake and ready to succeed because you are the best. So 5, coming back. 4, coming up. 3, coming up. Awakening. 2, feeling your hands and your feet, your eyes. 1, fully awake, ready to take on the day.